Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. So today let me start GK Unit D World's Famous Chapter number 16 World's Famous Dessert. Dessert मतलब मिठाई है ना. डेजर्ट के बिना हमारा जो खाना है, चाहे वो लंच है चाहे वो डिनर है, इनकम्प्लीट है. ओके तो यहाँ पे बात हो रही है. लेट्स talk about dessert. Desserts are mostly favorite to everyone. Some of us like warm and some like them frozen. But we all love mouth-watering desserts. Here are some desserts from all over the world. तो यहाँ पे जो है, यहाँ पे लाए हम all over world से कुछ dessert. ठीक है. तो क्या करना है, ये पिक्चर्स यहाँ पे दी हुई है उनके बारे में है, तो यहाँ पे वो इनकम्प्लीट है, हमें इनको कंप्लीट करना है कि ये क्या क्या चीजें हैं. ठीक है. A popular dessert in a Greece and the Middle East. It has layers of pastry filled with a spice and nut mixture, rich ingredient. So this one is baklava. B-A-K-L-A-V-A. Okay. So the number 2. This is favorite in India. Okay. The picture is very good. My mouth is watering. So this is favorite in India to make this milk balls made from flour and milk dough. है ना? So I fried it, put in sugar syrup, enjoy it warm or cold. Okay. So what is this? This is gulab jamun. This is gulab jamun. Number 3. These traditional Japanese bite-sized are made with rice. Looking very cute now. Cakes called mochi, azuki beans paste and foods. The paste is molded into various attractive fruit shape. So what it is? This is wagashi. W-A-G-A-S-H-I. हर जगह का अपना अपना डेजर्ट है, उसका नेम भी बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है. सो द नेक्स्ट वन इज in Poland. This popular cake is made from fresh cheese known as twarog. Sometimes potatoes are added to it. So what is this? This is sernik. S-E-R-N-I-K. Okay, now next number 5. In this oven baked custard, caramelized sugar, इसको पूरा शुगर से कैरामलाइज्ड किया जाता है, कोटेड, is poured into a vessel to coat the bottom, and a vanilla flavored custard is poured on top. This is flan. So the next one is number 6. This smooth and creamy camel-like sauce from Latin America is also known as sweet milk. You can have it with anything from cookies or ice cream to cakes and candies. So what is this? This one is Dulcet, D-U-L-C-E-D. Dulcet at E-D-E-L-E-C-H-E. ये नाम है इसका. Dulcet Delish. Very different name. So the next one is number 7. This rich Indian dessert is made by boiling rice or wheat with milk and sugar and is flavored with cardamoms, raisins, saffron, pistachio, almond. So obvious this is kheer. इसमें ये राइस, मिल्क और सारे ड्राई फ्रूट्स इसमें डालते हैं, बहुत यम्मी होती है ये. This one is kheer. This is kheer. Okay. So the number 8, a traditional French dessert that has a vanilla flavored custard base. It is chilled in special dishes with sugar sprinkled on top and then caramelized just before serving. A treat for your taste buds. This is creamy brulee. C-R-E-M-E-B-R-U-L-E-E. Number 9, a hearty and sweet layer pastry with a filling inside. This one is typical to Australian cuisine. What is this? This is strudel. Sturdel. So the number 10 is this soft and creamy traditional Italian cake is made of biscuit dipped in espresso and layered with mascarpone, egg yolks and sugar. This is tiramisu. The next one is number 11. It is a dish of ice cream topped with syrup. Okay, so nuts and whipped cream. This dessert named after a day of the week can cheer you up and day. This is sundal. Strudel. SUNDAL. Okay. Now number 12. This mouth-watering dessert made of ice cream layered with fruit and syrup is often served in a tile glass. This is paraffin. Number 13. Smooth, soft, creamy and yummy. This is a richly flavored Italian style ice cream. What is this? This is gelato. GELATO. This chilled and refreshing dessert gets its French name from the Persian word sharbat. Okay, so it is made of fruit juice, sugar, milk and egg white. So this is sorbet. Okay, ये शरबत की तरह होता है. So the chapter is end here. Let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 17. Ecologically speaking. Chapter number 17, ecologically speaking. So what is this? Let's start. The German naturalist Ernst Haeckel coined the word ecology and defined it as the study of the way organisms interact with each other and their physical environment. To understand nature, we need to understand this complex interrelationship. Brush up your knowledge of ecology by choosing the correct answer. So let's start. Number 1. Next to the equator, the climate would be tropical. This one. Tropical. Number 2. Which region includes the most number of biomes? This is island of Hawaii. Number 3. The process by which water is converted to water vapor naturally is called evaporation. This is evaporation. Number 4. Place these animals that are a part of a food chain in order beginning with the producer. So this is B. Third, fifth, second, fourth, one. A, B. So this is third, fifth, sorry. This is not correct. Third, then fifth, grass, grasshopper. After that, wild turkey. After that, coyote and last one is vulture. इस तरह से इसका फूड चेन होता है. ठीक है. So the B is correct. Number 5, consumers include dash. So this is some plants and all animals. B. Number 6, the greatest amount of food per acre is produced in the rainforest. B. Number 7, a process that does not take place in plants, this is digestion. This one. Okay. Number 8, the passing of nutrients from one animal or plant to another, progressing from the simplest to the more complex organism, is called a food. This is chain. This one. This is chain. Okay. So the chapter is end here. Let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 18. Nature's furry. So the chapter number 18, nature's furry. What is it? There are so many nature's furry which affect the earth. ठीक है, तो क्या होता है, प्राकृतिक जो है बहुत सारे अपने वो करती है, डिजास्टर होते हैं, फरी होते हैं. तो लेट्स रीड अबाउट दैम एंड देन solve the quiz. This quiz will get you thinking about the fascinating topics of nature's furry. So number 1 is earthquake, जिसको हम बोलते हैं हिंदी में भूकंप. Occur when hugs, masses of rock plates move or collide below the earth's surface. The shifting masses of rock send out shock waves called seismic waves that cause the tremors of an earthquake. Devastating earthquakes can cause immense loss of life and property. है ना, तो क्या होता है earthquake में बहुत नुकसान होता है, लाइफ का, प्रॉपर्टी का, बहुत सारी मौतें होती है, कुछ लोग घायल होते हैं, बिल्डिंग्स डैमेज होती हैं. आफ्टर द 1906 सैन फ्रांसिस्को अर्थक्वेक्स, फायर्स बर्न फॉर 3 days. ठीक है, सन 1906 में क्या हुआ था सैन फ्रांसिस्को में कि जो भूकंप आया था उसके बाद जो आग लगी 3 दिन तक वो आग जली थी. कैन यू थिंक ऑफ वेज इन विच ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज में लीड टू एन अर्थक्वेक. तो ये बहुत ही खतरनाक डिजास्टर होता है. नेक्स्ट वन है टी सुनामी, जो समुद्र में लहरें होती है ना, टी सुनामी, ये समुद्र से आता है और बहुत ही भयानक, ये क्या करता है, पूरे शहर को डुबा देता है. टी सुनामी इज ए पावरफुल, लार्ज एंड डिस्ट्रक्टिव वाटर वेव एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट फियर्ड नेचुरल डिजास्टर नोन टू मैन. दीज वेव्स पैक इनफ एनर्जी टू डिस्ट्रॉय एन एंटायर कोस्टल कम्युनिटी इन मोमेंट्स. अंडरवाटर अर्थक्वेक्स एंड volcanic eruptions are the most common causes of tea tsunamis. The deadliest tea tsunami recorded in history hit the shores of the Indian Ocean in 2004, killing about 150,000 people. When in 2004 में. Next one is hurricane. Hurricanes are giant spiraling and several tropical storms. तूफान आता है ये that moves at speeds of more than 119 km/h. These tropical storms begin as disturbances in warm ocean's water and become hurricanes when the wind speed reaches 121 km/h. So these tropical storms are also called cyclones or typhoons. इनके नाम होते हैं. In 1900, about 8,000 people lost their lives when the island city of Galveston in the USA was destroyed by a hurricane. More recently, in 2005, Hurricane Katrina caused huge damage of life and property. Find out how hurricanes are named in the USA. ठीक है ना, अब आपको ये ढूंढना है कि इसका हरिकेन नाम क्यों पड़ा. अब आते हैं हम टोर्नाडो पे, जिसको हम हिंदी में, शुद्ध हिंदी में बच्चे बोलते हैं बवंडर, जैसे नीचे जमीन से उठता है ऊपर ऊपर के लिए. टोर्नाडो has very vertical fumes of rapidly spinning air. The wind in a tornado may reach a speed up to 500 km/h. Tornadoes can suck in and spin rocks, trees. है ना, क्या करता है ये, suck मतलब अब खींचता है अपनी तरफ को, like रॉक, पत्थर को भी, पेड़ों को भी, है ना, पार्ट्स ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स को भी खींच लेता है ये, एंड इवन कार्स एंड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो, है ना. सो एज द टोर्नेडो मूव्स अलोंग इट रिप्स एंड डिस्ट्रॉयज एवरीथिंग इन इट्स path. अब next one is avalanches. What is this? Occur when massive slabs of snow break loose and race downhill rapidly, and avalanche is more likely to happen on a slope without trees. During World War I, about 50,000 soldiers died in avalanche in the Alps. It is believed that the avalanches were caused by आर्टिलरी फायर. स्मोक होता है ये एक तरह का धुआं. नेक्स्ट वन इज फ्लड. फ्लड यानी कि जो बाढ़ आती है ना, जब वो रेनी सीजन होता है, बारिश का मौसम होता है, तो क्या होता है, नदियां जो हैं वो अपने उफान पे आती है. 3 मंथ्स के लिए रेनी सीजन आता है, तो जितनी भी नदियां होती हैं, जितने भी तालाब होते हैं, झीलें होती हैं, वो क्या करते हैं, उनका वाटर लेवल जो है हाई हो जाता है. उससे क्या होता है, जब वाटर लेवल हाई हो जाता है तो जो नदी के किनारे होते हैं, मतलब इधर उधर, तो उनसे पानी ओवरफ्लो हो जाता है. ओवरफ्लो होने के बाद तो क्या होता है, जो नदियों के किनारे जो भी सिटीज है ना, जो सिटीज हैं, जो टाउन्स हैं, जो विलेजेस हैं, वो सब में पानी चला जाता है. तो कई तो डूब भी जाते हैं, बहुत नुकसान होता है इसमें. ठीक है. सो स्टोरीज ऑफ डिजास्टर्स फ्लड हैव बीन टोल्ड सिंस एंशिएंट टाइम्स. काफी पुराने समय से है ये. फ्लड्स can be dangerous and destructive, killing or injures millions. In the 1931 China floods, more than 3.5 million people died. The deadliest kinds of floods are flash floods caused by sudden heavy rainfall or a broken dam. तो इसका एक रीजन ये भी हो सकता है, जब कोई बांध टूटता है, कोई मजबूती से नहीं बना हुआ होता है ना. रेनी सीजन में तो क्या होता है, सड़कों की सड़कें धंस जाती है पहाड़ों पर, बहुत चीजें, लेकिन डैम जो है बहुत मजबूती से बनाए जाते हैं. बट फिर भी अगर कोई डैम टूट गया तो सत्यानाश हो जाता है बस लाइफ का. A shortage of rain over a long period of time may lead to drought. अब कहीं पे ज्यादा बारिश भी नुकसानदायक है और कहीं पे बारिश ना होना भी नुकसानदायक है ना. अब ये ड्रॉट में सूखा, जहाँ पे पानी नहीं होता. Droughts can cause water shortage, crop damage and depletion of groundwater. They affect plants, animals and peoples. The Dust Bowl of the early 1930s is regarded as the worst drought in American history. कब? 1930 में सबसे बुरा सूखा पड़ा था तब. Sometimes human actions may also lead to a drought situation. Find out the ways in which our activities can result in a drought. क्या होता था ना, अभी चीजें जैसे कि होती हैं, ठीक है, फ्लड हुआ, ड्रॉट हुआ, ये सब चीजें होती हैं, बट उस टाइम पे जो नुकसान होता है हो जाता है. बट क्या होता है, पहले लोग ज्यादा मर जाते थे, बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब जिसकी कोई हम कल्पना नहीं कर सकते. अब क्या होता है, चीजें हेल्पफुल हो गई हैं, फटाफट से इतनी सेवाएं हो गई हैं. जो वायुसेना होती है हेलीकॉप्टर के थ्रू, जो एनजीओज होती हैं वो हेल्प के लिए जाती हैं, खाना देने के लिए, उनको शेल्टर देने के लिए. तो अब फिर भी पहले के मुकाबले हैं अभी भी, लेकिन लोगों की हेल्प हो जाती है टाइमली. नाउ इट्स द क्विज टाइम. डैश प्लेट्स मूव अगेंस्ट ईच अदर एंड कॉज अर्थक्वेक्स. तो व्हाट इज इट? दिस इज टेक्टोनिक. दिस वन. Number 2, on which planet have the strongest winds of the solar system been recorded? This is Jupiter. The hot molten rock that flows out of a volcano is called, this is lava. Number 4, the Richter scale measures the intensity of dash. So this is earthquake. Richter scale measures the intensity. Yes, earthquake. Number 5, the topography of a place affects forest fires. Fire spread quickly, dash and slowly, uphill, downhill. This ones. So the chapter is end here. let's begin the new chapter, chapter number 19, living better. There are many lifestyle practice that lead to a better physical and mental health. Let's learn some of them. अच्छा, हमारी लाइफ क्या है? हमारी लाइफ जब बेटर होगी जब हमारा लिविंग स्टाइल है ना बेटर होगा, हम अच्छे से हम अपना हेल्थ को प्रेफर, सबसे फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस अपनी हेल्थ को देंगे. सो रीड द क्लूज एंड राइट विच प्रैक्टिस or therapy is being described in each of them. Pick your answer from the clue box here. So number 1, this therapeutic practice deals with inserting very fine needles into the skin to stimulate specific points in the body. Name this practice. This is acupuncture. This is acupuncture. Number 2, this one. This therapy involves the use of magnets to increase energy flow. Okay, for the body, it is done by making the patient wear a magnetic ring or other jewelry. So this one is magnet therapy. Which form of therapy acts on the subtle anatomy of the body, described as QI in Chinese or in Japanese? This is Shiatsu. This one is done. This is. Which Japanese form of healing involves the transfer of energy from the practitioner to the patient by laying hands to enhance the body's natural ability to heal itself through the balancing of energy? So what is this? This one is Reiki. Number 5. Which form of exercise founded in Germany and popular among dancers and performers is performed lying down on a machine fitted with springs? This one is Pilates. Which method of treatment uses flower extracts and pleasant smelling botanical oils such as rose, okay, lemon, lavender and peppermint? So this one is, this is aromatherapy. This ये होती है aromatherapy. Number 8. This form of therapy uses the sensitivity of the body to identify colors and correct any imbalances in the body, internal energy patterns. Name the therapy. This is color therapy. No, first one is number 7. Which therapy is based on the theory that the improper alignment of the vertebrae and the spinal cord is the cause of diseases and disorder? This is Chiro. Number 9, page number 8. This form of therapy uses the sensitivity of the body to identify colors and correct any imbalances in the body, is internal energy patterns. Name the therapy. This one is color therapy. The last one, which form of yoga is based on the principles of controlled breathing? This is pranayama. This one. Pranayama. Okay. So all chapter in these units are completed here. I hope you all are very understand this chapter. Thank you.